Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I would like to explain about consolidation, data consolidation. Okay, in MS Excel, data consolidation in MS Excel. So now I am opening Microsoft Excel of 2010, Microsoft Excel 2010. We are doing this consolidation in 2010 Microsoft Excel. Now let us see what is the definition of consolidation, data consolidation. Let us see. First of all, see here. Data consolidation function takes data from a series of worksheets or workbooks and summarizes it into a single worksheet. Okay, that means we are taking the data from different worksheet or different workbooks and we are summarizing in a single worksheet. That is the meaning of data consolidation. If you see, we know that in a workbook, how many default worksheets are there? 3 worksheets. We observe here 3 worksheets are there. Na? We observe here 3 worksheets: sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So now I am taking the data from sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3 and I am summarizing the data in sheet 4. In a single sheet 4 sheet I am summarizing the data which I have taken from sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Now let us take one example, by that you can understand very clearly. Okay. Now I have a company. I have a software company. In that software company, the employees which are performed very well, for them I have given a bonus of every year. I am giving the bonus. This is the bonus sheet of 2018. See here, for Ayush I have given 2000 rupees bonus, Amol 3000, Suyash 4000, Naina 2000, Sakshi 4000, Nandini 5000. Like this I have given a bonus, and this is the bonus sheet of 2018 which is in sheet 1. Okay, in 2018 year. In sheet 2, this is the bonus sheet of 2019. The same employees I have given the bonus. In sheet 3, the bonus sheet of 2020, it is 2000, it is not 19, 2020. I given the bonus like this for my employees. Okay, now I want to calculate the total bonus I have given from the past 3 years. I want to calculate in this different sheet, that is called as sheet 4. I want to summarize in sheet 4. The 3 years are in 3 different sheets. 2018 bonus sheet is in sheet 1, 2019 bonus sheet is in sheet 2 and 2020 bonus sheet is in sheet 3. Okay, here it is 2000, not 19, it is 2020. Okay, right now I want to calculate the total bonus I have given from the past 3 years to my employees. Okay, which are in different sheets. Here I want to calculate. Okay, for that the procedure is keep the cursor here, and in Excel we have one tab that is called as data tab. That is called as data tab. In sheet 4 we are calculating the total bonus I have given for my employees from the past 3 years, which are in different sheets. See here, data tab. Click on data tab. In the data tab, data tools group is there. In that one option is there that is called as consolidate. Click on this is the consolidate dialog box. Here you observe what we are doing here, sum we are adding. That's why we have to select the sum. In references, keep the cursor here and you observe here all references are there. Now just delete, select and delete that one. If it is there something, you have to delete. If nothing is there, no need of delete. And you observe the labels here, top row, left column, and create links to source data. We have selected here, observe here, we have selected here that one for update, that is now the procedure is click on sheet 1 and select complete and click on add. Okay, and click on sheet 2 and select this data, whatever the data is there in sheet 2, and again click on add. Click on sheet 3, select the data, and again click on add. Okay, so here we don't want to add these names, don't want to add this name and bonus. That's why here the top row and left column we are not adding. Click that one, and for update we have already clicked that one. Click on OK. You observe here the total we got here. Sheet 1, you observe Ayush 2000 bonus I have given. In sheet 2, 2000 5000. Sheet 3, 5 plus 4 9000. In sheet 4 you observe 9000. All the totals are came here. Okay, now you observe in sheet 1. Now once again we'll see the definition. Data consolidation fund takes data from a series of worksheet or workbooks and summarize it into a single worksheet. What we have did here, we are taking the data from sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. In sheet 4 we have summarized. That means we have calculated the total amount of bonus what we have given to my employees, what I have given for employees. Okay, so now you observe, now I am amount 12,000 is there. Now I am updating. In sheet 1 amount 3000 is there. Now I am updating. Here I am giving 5000. That means see here automatically 12,000 is the previous, it is updated. Why? Because in the consolidate box we have clicked that box, create linked source data, and that's why it is updated. Here I am giving 6000. Here I am giving 6000. You observe in the sheet 4 automatically 1000 increase. 14 is there in previous, it is 15,000. Okay, this is about data consolidation. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Thank you.